Hi, if you need to use built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you will need to open settings first. Here, go in the display and then just choose the edge panels. Make sure it is enabled here and select this tab. After that, go in the panels and choose tools as well as apps. And after that, you can just return back to the home page, and here you can see your edge panel. You just need to swipe left and now you can see your apps. If you swipe left once more, you will be able to see a compass here. You can tap on the three dots and replace it with something else. But for now, you can just use your compass and rotate it like that to see the west, east, south, north directions. And also you can check here your location and you can calibrate it by doing this gesture. And to close it, you will need to simply swipe it right like that, and now it's gone. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.